Duplicates in a loaded data frame are rows with identical values across all, or a specific subset, of their columns. Their presence inflates dataset size, skews statistical results, and wastes computational resources, making analysis inefficient and potentially inaccurate. It's crucial to identify and handle them for reliable insights. We typically remove these duplicate rows, often keeping only the first occurrence. To illustrate this process effectively, we will now load Seaborn STIP's dataset. Duplicates in a data frame are rows that are identical across all, or a specified subset of, columns. Their presence significantly impacts data analysis, efficiency and accuracy. Duplicates can skew statistical measures like sums, averages, and counts, leading to misleading insights and incorrect conclusions. For instance, an average calculated from duplicated data will not reflect the true average of unique observations. Furthermore, storing redundant data consumes unnecessary memory and can slow down data processing operations, especially in large datasets, thereby decreasing computational efficiency.
Handling duplicates is crucial for ensuring data integrity, improving the accuracy of analysis, and optimizing computational resources. The process typically involves two main steps: identification and removal. Identification is usually done using methods like df.duplicated, which returns a Boolean series indicating which rows are duplicates. Removal is then achieved using df.drop_duplicates, which creates a new data frame with redundant rows removed. By default, drop_duplicates keeps the first occurrence of any identified duplicate rows and discards the rest.
The provided Python example uses the --Seaborn load_dataset tips data frame to illustrate this duplicate handling process. First, it loads the dataset and prints its initial shape. The count of full row duplicates identified using df.duplicated .sum, and a sample statistic, the mean of the total_bill column. Next, it applies df.drop_duplicates to create a new, potentially cleaned data frame. Finally, the example prints the shape and duplicate count of the processed data frame, along with the updated mean total_bill. This clearly demonstrates the methodology for identifying and handling duplicates, even though the TIPS dataset itself happens to contain no exact full row duplicates, thus illustrating the mechanism in action.